In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel a CapCut subscription. If you've decided that you no longer need CapCut Pro, or you just want to stop the subscription before it renews, this process is very straightforward. The important thing to remember is that CapCut subscriptions are managed through your App Store, not directly inside the CapCut app itself. That means the steps are slightly different depending on whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. But the overall idea is the same. To begin, make sure CapCut is fully closed on your device. Once that's done, go ahead and open the App Store connected to your account. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you're using an Android phone, open the Google Play Store. After the store opens, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your account and payment settings. From here, find and tap on the option that says Subscriptions. This is where all of your active and past subscriptions are listed. Inside the Subscriptions section, you'll see a list of apps you're currently subscribed to. Active subscriptions usually appear at the top. Scroll through the list until you find CapCut, then tap on it to open the subscription details. Once you're on the CapCut subscription page, you'll see information such as your current plan and the next renewal date. This is important because if you don't cancel before the renewal date, your subscription will automatically renew and you'll be charged again. To cancel, tap on Cancel Subscription. The App Store will then ask you to confirm your decision. Go ahead and confirm the cancellation. After confirming, your subscription will stay active until the end of the current billing period, but it will not renew again after that date. If you don't see the cancel option, make sure you're logged into the correct Apple ID or Google account that was originally used to purchase the subscription. This is a common issue and usually explains why CapCut might not appear in the subscriptions list. Once the cancellation is complete, you're all set. You can continue using CapCut Pro features until the subscription expires, and after that, your account will automatically switch back to the free version without any further charges. Before you go, if you want to stay safer and more private while managing subscriptions, editing videos, or using online apps, I recommend using NordVPN. It helps protect your connection and keeps your data secure, especially on public networks. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.